How to fix your purchase failed error on Roblox. If you're getting the "your purchase failed because something went wrong" message on Roblox, follow these steps to fix the issue. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Tap on More in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, go to Settings and select Payment Methods. Here, verify your card information to make sure it's correct and up to date. This step is important as incorrect card details can cause payment failures. Once your card is verified, stay in Settings and search for iPhone storage or Storage depending on your device. In the storage settings, scroll down and look for Roblox. Once you find Roblox, tap on it and select Offload App. After offloading is complete, tap on Reinstall App. This will reinstall Roblox and verify the integrity of the app's files, which can help resolve any hidden bugs or data issues causing the purchase error. This method should fix the purchase failed error on Roblox. If it works for you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.